Hey everyone, if you've ever found yourself just buried under a mountain of interview notes and transcripts, well, you are in the right place. Today we're going to break down exactly how you can use AI to make qualitative analysis so much easier. You know the feeling, right? You've done all this great research, and now you have pages and pages of amazing, super detailed interviews. It's a goldmine of insight for sure. But actually digging through it all to find that gold? Wow, that can feel completely overwhelming. So, what can we do about it? Well, I want you to start thinking about AI in a new way. Forget the complicated, scary black box idea. Instead, I want you to picture it as your new, super efficient research assistant. Seriously, it's here to help you out, not to take over your job. Think about it. This assistant is a tool. It's designed to support your brain, not replace it. It can do all the tedious heavy lifting, the sorting, the searching, the organizing, and that frees you up to do what we humans are best at, the deep thinking, the interpretation, and really understanding the nuances. Okay, but just like any good assistant, you can't just dump a pile of documents on its desk and expect magic to happen. Nope, it needs a really good briefing first. And here's the key. The quality of the work you get out of it is 100% dependent on the quality of the instructions you put in. This first step is absolutely crucial. You have to give the AI rich, detailed context. So, for instance, if your research is all about physician burnout, you need to spell that out. Tell it your research questions, what kind of data you're working with, everything. The more specific you are, the better and more relevant its help is going to be. And why is this so important? Because it's the fundamental rule here. Vague instructions are only going to get you generic, kind of useless results. But a really detailed briefing, that sets your new assistant and your whole project up for success. So before you even start the analysis, just burn these two simple rules into your brain. First, always provide that rich context we just talked about. And second, take it one step at a time. Don't ask for everything all at once. This is the perfect way to think about it. I mean, you'd never walk up to a human research assistant and say, hey, go do this entire study, code it, and write the final report. See you later. Of course not. You'd give them one clear task at a time. You've got to do the exact same thing here. All right, now that we've set the stage and briefed our new assistant, it's time to put it to work. The actual analysis is going to happen in a really clear, repeatable cycle we call the analysis loop. And the main technique we're going to use is called prompt chaining. It's basically just having a controlled conversation. You ask for something, you look at what it gives you back, and then you use that information to build your next, even better question. It's like this thoughtful little dance between you and the AI. And here's what that dance looks like in practice. First, you'll ask the AI to just pull out some important quotes related to your research questions. Simple. Step 2, and this is a big one, you verify those quotes. After that, you'll ask it to code them. And finally, you have it group all those codes into bigger themes. See how each step just flows right into the next? Okay, I cannot stress this enough. Verification is everything. You are the expert on your own data. You have to check the AI's work. Does it, quote, feel weird or out of context? Did it just make something up? If it did, you correct it with a really clear command. This is the step that guarantees the integrity of your entire analysis. So once you're feeling good about the quotes it's pulled, you can move on to coding. And what's cool is you can give the AI specific rules, like asking for codes that are only 2 to 5 words long. This helps keep the output super clean and focused on exactly what you need. And this is where it all starts coming together. You're going to tell your assistant to take all those little codes and start clustering them into bigger, high-level themes. This is the process that helps you zoom out from all the tiny details and start to see the real story your data is telling. And here's what you're working towards: a beautiful, clear, organized thematic map. You can see how a big theme like physician burnout is backed up by specific codes, which are then anchored by a real, direct quote from your data. Everything is organized, it's transparent, and it's totally defensible. Now this brings us to what is, without a doubt, the most important point of this entire process. The AI is a fantastic assistant, but you are still the researcher. Look at this as a partnership. The AI is doing the grunt work. It extracts, it codes, it organizes. But your role is all about thinking. You reflect on the meaning, you verify the accuracy, you judge the connections, and you refine the final story. Each of you is playing to your own strengths. So your final steps are where your human expertise really shines. You have to critically review everything the AI has given you. Use your own judgment to tweak things, maybe merge a couple of themes, and this is so important, you have to document how you used AI in your process. That kind of transparency is absolutely key for ethical, solid research. If you take away just one thing today, let it be this. AI is here to support your analysis, but it never, ever replaces your own analytical judgment. Your brain is what gives the final analysis its real meaning. The AI just helps you get there faster. So there you have it. You're now ready to turn that giant, scary pile of data into a clear, powerful analysis. Your new research assistant is officially on the clock, just waiting for its first assignment. So the only question is, what are you going to ask it to do first?